Hello everyone, this is Het and I'm cooking borscht. If you don't know what borscht is, it's a red beet soup or soup from red beet. These are our ingredients for borscht: cabbage, potato, red beet, onion, carrots, tomatoes. I cut my cabbage. Now it's time to shred the carrots and then red beet. Technically, for one big pot, you need only one red beet. It will give plenty of color and taste. Okay, now it's time for the onion. I usually cut them like this because you don't see it in borscht when you cut it like that. That's our old secret. I'm using only one large potato, and if you noticed, I didn't peel the potato because I think there are many vitamins and stuff like this inside the skin of the potato, and I don't want to throw it away. After I cut the potato into cubes, I'm gonna let it sit in water. Now it's tomatoes. All the preparation from washing to cutting and dicing the vegetables takes me about 10 minutes. And beans, of course, don't forget about the beans. These are fresh beans from the garden. So like I was saying, it takes me about 10 to 12 minutes, something like that. And of course I am a trained chef or trained cook, and I have a cooking degree, and probably for me it's a little bit easier to cut it and dice it and slice it, but still anybody can do it. And if you pay close attention and do exactly what's on the video, you're gonna have a very yummy, nice looking, delicious borscht. So first I'm starting with the cabbage. I put just a little bit of water in the bottom of the pot, and I'm gonna let the cabbage saute. Now it's onions. I wanna make sure that my frying pan is hot. I use olive oil, and on one side I fry my onions, on the other side tomatoes. You can use 2 frying pans or do this way. Very basic seasoning, very basic. Salt, pepper, dill, that's about it. We can also add parsley, but very basic, and bay leaves, of course, but very basic seasoning. So I'm gonna let the onions and tomatoes fry a little bit, and check my cabbage. I'm gonna add the red beets to the mixture of onions and tomatoes, and let it cook for a little bit more. I'm using a 8 quarts Calphalon pot. Calphalon, I think you pronounce it. I don't know. Anyway, my onions, tomatoes, and beets are pretty much done. I'm gonna turn the fire off, cover it, and they're just gonna sit and wait for their time to go into the pot. I'm letting the cabbage saute and in a little bit of water, and they are when they are slightly soft, I'm gonna put chicken broth. I use chicken broth, sometimes I use beef broth, sometimes I use vegetable broth, but broth will give you a nice flavor. These are beans from the garden, and I soaked them in hot water, washed and soaked for about half hour. Carrots, and I'm constantly adding water because it evaporates. You would be surprised how much water you're gonna be losing when you're cooking borscht. Anyhow, I'm gonna wait until everything is slightly boiling. Like I said, bay leaves. Bay leaves is a must for borscht. Borscht likes bay leaves. When everything is boiling a little bit, I'm gonna put my potatoes and bring it to boil once again. All right, now it's time to put onions, tomatoes, and red beets. And you will see it will change the color momentarily. After you put it in, it will change the color to red, like, or burgundy, whatever you think this color is. Unbelievably fast. Again, I'm adding a little bit of water. All right, I'm gonna bring to boil it once again, and add fresh parsley, like I was saying. Fresh parsley and some garlic. You know, in my opinion, if you wash and break parsley with your hands, it tastes better. Same thing with the garlic. I don't like using knife, but it's only my opinion. Okay, this is what the cooked borscht looks like. And that's the next day. By the way, it tastes and looks so much better the next day. Like, really, really. It tastes and looks better the next day. I guess it needs time to absorb all the colors from the red beets. Anyway, thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. This is Hat. Thank you.